Today is National Puzzle Day, so I thought we would do an unboxing from dailypuzzles.com.au. Now, these puzzles have been in the mail for quite a long time, and the Postal Service even delivered them to the wrong address, so I am beyond excited to open this up and see what I finally got. Alright, so here we have the YJ Yeet Ball and the MoYu Skewb. I'm excited about this. This will be my first Skewb, and the Gone 251M. I am very excited about that as well. And oh look, a coupon for Daily Puzzles and a little free holder. Awesome. I'm learning 2x2, and currently I just have the Geeker, so I'm very excited about the Gone. But let's start over here with the new one, and one that I don't know how to solve. This is the YJ Yeet Ball. Now this was named after the Ting Man name generator contest, where I think it was like Yeet Lord that won. Okay, instructions for this. And it looks like they are all in Chinese, but the graphics will be helpful, I think. I've never done like a circular puzzle like this, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm probably not going to try to solve these on this video since two of them are brand new to me, but we'll at least get them open and do some first turns. So it's very nice feeling, not too heavy. You can see that in different spots. Yeah, first turns here. It's kind of clicky, kind of nice though. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear any of that since I'm recording with a mic. But yeah, it's a little bit clicky. You can kind of hear a little bit of the spring movement. But you can see that there are sides that have turnable pieces, like the 3 blues, the 3 whites, 3 greens there. And then there are some of the sides that have kind of 3 colors like those, like the white, red, and green. I think there's 4 sides like that. So yeah, there's another one. There's another. Yeah, so there's some of them that will stay still or at least static so that you can kind of match it up. So looks interesting. I will definitely have fun with that. But let's get to the Skewb. This MoYu Skewb comes highly recommended. I've heard about it from a lot of people. A little hard to open the packaging sometimes, but yeah, let's get right into here. Awesome. This is a nice feeling box, actually. I think it's a magnetic closure on the front. So yeah, oh yeah. That feels very premium. Let me just, yeah, so it flaps open like that. Oh, that's nice. And inside, if I can get it out, we have the accessories pack, and this should have the additional face plates for the sides. Yeah, there they are. So the reason that I got this one, especially since I'm going to be learning Skewb on it. Oh, these extra magnets and a little screwdriver. But these have little divots in them, which I think you can see here on the camera. Yeah, so that it gives you a little bit of extra grip. I guess it comes in a cool case that you can do something or another with. Oh, you can display the cube with it in different ways. Cool. Kind of nice to see that they're playing with that a little. And then there's some MoYu cards and QR codes. And this is something I will probably end up having to use. This is the instruction booklet. And actually this looks pretty in-depth. I will probably go to YouTube. But it does look like this one has an English side as well as a Chinese side, so I appreciate that. If the YouTube stuff doesn't help, then I will be looping back to this. Let me put all this stuff aside really quick, and let's get to the actual Skewb itself. I'm excited about this. Like I said, this is going to be my first Skewb, so definitely not going to be doing any solves for it on camera right now, since I don't even know where to start. In the bottom there, it looks like those are the little stand pieces you can put into the base. Okay, that's a nice little base, actually. And I really like the colors on this. They're nice and vibrant. Okay, yeah, these colors are doing it for me. They're nice and vibrant. I don't think that they'll be easily confused. I like that they're all a little bit off from each other, so the green and the blue and the red and orange aren't too easily confused. And Okay, how do you turn a cube here? Okay, yeah. Okay, oh yeah. Yeah, you can kind of hear the clicks as it's hitting into place. Yeah, it's very weird to be playing with this. Currently, I really only have cube pieces, so in by ends. 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 2 by 2, and I cannot get these caps off. And I just painted my nails, so I don't know if I'm going to really try to force it. I might have to try this after the video. Yeah, I'm just going to try this after the video and see if I can get it switched. But it turns really nicely. It feels like it clicks into place, which I think is going to be important. And I'm excited to get those other faces on so that hopefully it makes it even easier to learn as I'm getting going. Yeah, and there we go. You put that little thing in there and holds it at a cute little angle, and I guess you can even stack it onto there to give it razors. I mean, that'd be nice in like a back shelf, but I think I'm gonna just set it down for now for the video. And now let's get over to the Gone. I am very excited about this. This will be my first really nice 2x2. And I think this is my third Gone cube. And actually this packaging leaves a lot to be desired based on the others that I've gotten. It's pretty simple and straightforward. But in it we have the nice little Gone sleeve, so your cube doesn't get dirty. And we've got the extra parts for tensioning. We have little booklets. So I think this is just explaining their, yeah, kind of like the Moyu when it's explaining their little carrier and how you can display it differently. So I mean, if you have money on a lot of Gone cubes, I guess you can do that. Little QR code for the app, instruction booklet. Again, this is all in Chinese. But I know how to solve a 2x2, at least with the beginner method. Planning to learn Ortega soon. So probably we'll start learning on this versus the Geeker based on how it turns. Oh, that kind of opens cool. I don't know, that's kind of neat. But let's get to the cube. That's why we're here. This is the big one that I've been waiting for. I'm excited to learn Skew, but I'm really pumped to get some turns on this. And sorry if my mat's dirty. It's hard with 4 cats in the house to not get hair everywhere. A little bit of oil on the cube itself. Ooh, those are nice turns. The magnets are very snappy, but not too tight. It's nice and soft and quiet. Yeah, this is really nice. I'm not super fast, but yeah, I mean it's a little bit loose, but I like it. This is it's a little looser than my Geeker, at least the Smart Cube I've been learning 2x2 on, but yeah, this is really nice. I am super stoked. Thank you, Daily Puzzles. Happy National Puzzle Day, and hope you all have some fun solves today. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell if you want notifications. See you next time.